What's going on, guys? Sorry if there's some wind noise. I have a heater right behind me, but today we're working on the Fiat, the Abarth, and today we're gonna do some stuff, some random stuff. But basically, I got into a small accident last week and left a pretty gnarly dent right there and on the bottom of my fender. So my insurance company already paid me out for it, and I went ahead and bought a fender online. 60 bucks I found this one for. Seems pretty decent quality. Good seller ratings online. And I got some paint matched paint inside that we're going to use. So yeah, that's the main purpose of this video. It's to replace the fender and have it painted. We're also going to be replacing all the halogen lights and the running lights and the fog lights. They're really ugly yellow ones right now, the old school bulbs. So we're going to replace them while the bumper's off. And that's the video, so stay tuned. I'm going to put you guys on the tripod and show you how to take the bumper off. It's got some torque. Okay, so the car is completely disassembled, but we did manage to get the old fender off. It was honestly a big job because of this glue right here and this last bolt down here, which you have to get to from the inside of the fender, which means you have to take this off. And in my case, that bolt, it's threaded in from the inside, and it actually had adhesive all over the head, so I couldn't get it off. So it was kind of a messy project of like pulling the fender off, bending it a little bit, which is fine because it's the old one, and then cutting that bolt off. So that was the only hiccup with the whole job. Obviously, you got to take the headlight off, so it looks pretty disassembled right now. But the fender is out being painted inside in my basement, so it's nice and warm and heating up and dry. And then while I had the bumper off, it's up there, I decided to plasti dip the badge, or like the thing that goes around the front badge. That's chrome, and I just didn't like the way it looked, so we're gonna do it black. And now all we do is wait for the fender to dry and reverse the process. So I will catch up to you guys when we start that. We have the car taken apart. I wanted to show a couple of things that I haven't before. This is the turbo. As you can see, it's a tiny one. It's about the size of my fist. This is the catless downpipe that came on the car when I had it, so no more catalytic converter. This is an intake that I mentioned before, and it's a Garrett turbo. I think it's a 1446. I believe that's what the part number is. Anyways, intake, downpipe, does have some kind of tune on it to make all of this work together, and it does have a legit blow-off valve. So that's that, and anyways, yeah, we'll catch up with you guys when we put the fender on. Alright guys, so the car is all put back together, and I think the fender turned out amazing. Let me see if I can get it in the light for you guys. But yeah, that is the new fender, and this is the door. So, as you can see, it's pretty damn close to OEM. And keep in mind, this came out of a spray can, so it's pretty crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna pull it outside and get it off the jacks and show you guys what it looks like in the sunlight. But I think we're back in business, no more dents. All I gotta do now is get the rest of this sticker that's missing. Somehow I gotta make that up. And then that's it. I did plasti dip the badge like you guys saw, so that's black instead of chrome now, and all 6 lights are LEDs, which I'll show you guys outside too. But the car's back together,